Doing inspections like this is an essential part of being a real estate company. You need to understand what you're renting out, you need to understand what you're selling to your customers. Just visiting the units, it's the minimum you can do. Good morning. We are here in Sukhumvit 38 and today I will take you along on an inspection of a new home that we have listed. As you know, we have a real estate company and a big part of our work is to check new units, and this is a house in Sukhumvit 38 and it's just been renovated. It's been completely redone, repainted, and I'm just gonna check out how it looks. Dishwasher. It's not completely finished yet, so I will be back here probably next week to make a proper video for Sukhumvit Homes, but it's a perfect time now to check out how it looks. So this house is for rent. If you want to rent it unfurnished, it's 200,000 baht per month, and you can also get it furnished, and then it's 220,000. Yeah, so it comes with a private swimming pool, and the rent includes 2 times per month pool cleaning, and they also take care of the garden area here. Yeah, this is a nice feature. You have a kind of bridge connecting 2 parts of the house. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, it's not ready yet, so I will definitely come back here to make a proper Sukhumvit Homes video. Yeah, but it's just good to give a preview already. So this is the 4th bedroom. Then here you have like a storage room, which you can also use as a bedroom. But the only thing is that there is no connection here with a bathroom. So this is a big part of my daily job. And you guys know me as Global Travel Mate, where I'm running around in Bangkok, but I'm always running around because I'm visiting these kind of units, and this is very important. I mean, it's good to see how the unit looks. If we want to present it to our customers, then it's good to be prepared. Yeah, I filmed another unit in here last year. I will put a link to that house in here as well. It's always good to check all the appliances. So this has a dishwasher. Then here there is a second kitchen with a gas stove. There's no maid's quarter, and again, this is one of the reasons why it's good for us to check everything in advance, because we don't want to have any surprises when our customers are coming to check out the units. I think it's a big part of the job here. If you're planning to move to Bangkok or you're moving inside of Bangkok, just feel free to connect with us. We will always provide you with videos. We will always do our research. The units that we have are not cheap. It's a minimum of 80,000 baht if you're looking in the rental. For sales, we start with about 15 to 20 million. But let me show you the upstairs area. You have the extra bathroom. So there are 3 bedrooms on this floor. Yeah, so me and Mirela started the company about 10 years ago. And from the beginning I've been filming apartments. So for example, here you see it's not ready yet. There's still furniture in here, and this is due to the painting. But the thing is, the most important thing is to know that the unit is ready, because this is just a couple of days of reorganizing, and then the unit can be rented out. So this is also how we can give the feedback to our customers. So this is actually a compound with 4 houses, and for example the tower that you see there, that's where you have the Chuka bar in the middle, and this is all about 800 meters from the Thong Lor BTS station. Here also you can see it's not completely ready yet, but I guess that's gonna take a couple of days, so I will definitely be back to make a proper promotional video. So that was the second bedroom, so let me show you number 4. So we had 1 bedroom downstairs, we had 1 bedroom down, and then here you have 3 bedrooms on this floor, on this level. Big walk-in closet here. You know, it's always what I said. It's always important to get up to date. So now I know that this is the master bedroom, based on the bathtub. Yeah, so this unit is ready for rent. Yeah, I know I'm sweating a little bit. It's the air conditioning is not on. If you're moving to Bangkok, feel free to connect with us. We have a lot of units on our website. We have a lot of units on our YouTube channel, but we actually have a lot more, and it's not always 100% up to date. So if you're interested in moving to Bangkok, feel free to connect with us. Just let us know what you're looking for, and we will give you a list of all the available units. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.